Is your website losing you customers? You might be making this huge mistake that a lot of business owners are making. And in this video, you're going to learn what that mistake is and how you can fix it. Hi, my name is Peter. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I am a website designer that helps business owners turn their websites into sales machines. So, the number one mistake that business owners make when it comes to their websites is in the hero section. And the hero section is that part of the website that is at the very top of your homepage. And over here, you're going to learn exactly what needs to be put on there in order to maximize your conversions and for people to stay engaged. And what I have for you today is I'm going to show you some examples of bad websites. And I probably in some of these, you're going to find out that maybe you're making the same mistake. And I'm going to show you at the end how you're going to be able to fix it. And also, you're going to find in this video some major brands that have bad websites, and you're going to see how you can avoid making the same mistakes. So this one over here at the very first one is this company called HDR, and the number one mistake that they make over here is that they have this slideshow and you have no idea what they do. It says over here providing program management for expensive T-line construction. So what does that mean for me? Who's their audience? Who are they targeting? They have no idea. And that's the problem with these kind of websites, is that if they don't target the target audience and they don't know who they're trying to reach out to, then they're going to come up with this kind of generic message. We supported hundreds of miles of transmission lines built out with technical, environmental, and project management professionals. Who cares? These are the types of websites that people will leave in an instant. So definitely you want to avoid having some generic message like this. Here's another one, pennyjuice.com. It makes sense. All right. I mean, that is just corny. What are they trying to say? They're going to say, hey, you know what? We have cheap juice for your kids. Automatically, what do you think? You think, hey, is this high quality? Maybe it's low quality. That's why it's low. That's what they're leading with. So that's definitely a bad tagline. And then over that, here's their hero, and this is what they're saying in their hero section: 100% blended fruit juice concentrate specifically designed for childcare centers. All right. So what's the big deal? Why is that important to me? How does that change my life? It doesn't. You have no idea, right? And you go through the rest of the page, and again, it's just very generic and doesn't really do anything for anybody. So definitely avoid this. This next one you won't even believe. All right, this is the website for Warren Buffett. All right, so Warren Buffett owns Berkshire Hathaway, one of the most successful investing companies in the world, and this is his website. All right, just a plain old website that basically doesn't just has a bunch of links to different things. And maybe he can get away with it because he's Warren Buffett. He doesn't need to maybe make more money, but everybody should be trying to grow their business. And this is definitely an example of a bad website. So definitely, Warren Buffett, you need to take a look at your website, berkshirehathaway.com. Next one is insight2profit.com. Pricing leaders driving profit. Do you have any idea what that means? I certainly don't. Pricing leaders driving profit. I don't know what that means. Intelligent strategy and technology implemented to transform big insights into real world solutions. If you can tell me without scrolling anywhere beneath this hero section what this website is about, write in the comments and I'll reach out to you and I'll give you a prize. All right? Because absolutely there's no way that anybody can tell what these people do. Um, and basically, you only get a chance to know what it is once you know what EBITDA is. And of course, if you're in business, that's earnings before income taxes, depreciation, amortization, probably some kind of accounting firm. But definitely, they lose you so easily with this poorly constructed homepage. And definitely, the hero is a big fail. This next one, I couldn't believe it. Susan Collins. All right. I don't know if you know who she is, but if you take a look at her biography and you take a look at her works, you'll see one of the most famous movies that she's ever done. And it's she is the one who wrote The Hunger Games. All right. Very successful movie. And then The Mockingjay, I think I saw both of those. And this is her website. Her website says, welcome. Hi. Thanks for visiting my website. Here's a picture of me with a rat in Central Park. Wow. A picture of her and a rat. Okay. Definitely doesn't pique my interest. And I'm actually interested in this author. I'm just like, what a big fail. And then definitely that's what's going to show up on her website is the first thing that people see. Because even if you take a look at the mobile version of her website, then basically, she sees the middle of it right here. Sunrise on the Reaping. People have no idea what that is, and you have to keep on reading further. So definitely not a good way to lead with the hero size, the hero image. Now take a look at this one. This one's for Intel. So Intel, very famous company. They make processors and chips in your computer. But look at what they're saying. Simplify your AI journey. Deliver AI at scale across cloud, data center, edge, and client with our hardware and software. Now, here's the problem with this is that they're way too specific and only reaching out to a very, very specific niche, only people or companies who are looking to do AI. But the thing is that they're a processor. They make processors in people's computers. So they need to go to not be so niche down, because really they sell a lot of processors to people who are not in AI. So they're really losing out on their customer. Here's one called Blinky.com. I couldn't even believe this. This is Merry Christmas. I'm like, okay. So you go to Blinky.com and you have no idea. It says, Merry Christmas, start the experience. Let's start the experience. Let's see what happens. Then you're taken to a website about Christmas blinky lights and flashing party three favors. Poor design, no hero at all, and just goes straight into the shopping cart. So if you're selling stuff online, you definitely want to avoid this and just go straight into your shopping cart. You have to tell people about what you do. Now let me show you. This is an example of a good website, because this is actually one of our clients. So this is a client called RD Bootcamp. She came to me and with her website, it was built on Wix before, and she was just like, "Hey, I'm having a lot of trouble, and I want to, make this website where I help people pass the registered dietitian exam and help them to get their license." And so we built this website for her, and basically right at the get-go, you see the benefit. And that's exactly what I want to show you, that on your website, you need to talk about, hey, what's the benefit that you're offering for people? What's the transformation? Where do they come from? What's their problem? And what's the solution? And how do you provide the transformation in the middle? And that's exactly what you get. What's the end result? So for our client, it was, hey, pass the registered dietitian exam with flying colors. And that calls out who is coming to our website, because who's coming to our website are students that are interested in taking the registered dietitian exam. And it says, tone your skills through a fully interactive course with entertaining, information-packed videos, calculation walkthroughs, instruction-led on-demand classes, flashcards, many practice quizzes and exams, and much more. All right. And so that has been amazing for her. We've been recording, how much people scroll, and she's been getting so many people sign up on her website. It's been phenomenal. All right. And she talks about, some of the other benefits and some of the things and testimonials and stuff. And we'll go through that in another video. But for now, that's what you need to do with your hero section. All right. You need to lead with the benefits. And the way that you can lead with the benefits is that you always just say, hey, so what? Why does this matter? Right. And then you say, hey, this is what we do, and this is what you get. And so this is a great example. If you need help with creating your hero section, or creating, the homepage on your website, you need somebody to help and critique with you, you can reach out to me. You can book a free call with me. We'd love to talk about how you can fix your website and see if there's anything else that we can help you out with. Now, you have a lot more videos on my YouTube channel. The next one that you should check out is the top 5 Facebook ad mistakes that small business owners make, and how you can avoid them. So you should check it out now.